Hey guys, so quick update about the layer 0 airdrop, and even if you haven't actively farmed this layer 0 airdrop, I would recommend you to still check out if you haven't got any allocation for this airdrop, because even if you didn't specifically farm this protocol layer 0, there is a big chance that if you were active on multiple layer 2s and just on Ethereum blockchain, there's a big chance that you did qualify for some tokens. And that's why I would recommend you to just go on the website. The link will be in my description as well. Just go on this website and check if you have gotten any allocation. Maybe you do. And the alpha number 2 is that there is a big opportunity to get some ZRO allocation just being on Twitter, creating content about the layer 0 protocol, making meme posts on their Discord, and just helping other people on the Discord channel. And here you can see some ZRO allocations for users, for legendary users, for content creators. And why I'm recommending you to do this is because I think layer 0 will perform great as a token in the long term, because this is actually a great innovation. And here you can see they have a huge investors backing this project. They raised around $135 million. And if you do a proper research about this project, and I will do a new video on my own research about layer 0, you will understand that this is a great innovation. It solves many things, and for example, this layer 0 bridge is actually a decentralized trustless bridge compared to other Orbiter, Avulto, Jumper, D-Bridge bridges, which are not decentralized. And I will make more in-depth video about this project, but I would recommend you to check if you have gotten any tokens just for being active on multiple layer 2s and multiple projects that uses this layer 0 technology. And yeah, again, if you want to earn some ZRO tokens, you can be active on their Discord channel, create content about layer 0. And yeah, that's just my advice and recommendation if you want to earn and participate in their ecosystem. And this is not a paid video, I just want to share some alpha. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.